Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can convert TikTok video to gift in 2025 update. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your TikTok app and then log into your account and search for the video that you wanna create it like a gift. So you can see over here this video. I want to change it to GIF, so you can see share icon over here. Click on that and then you will see at the down menu you will see bunch of options over here, like invite or like share the specific person on TikTok, or like the second option is like this, you can share with the apps, or like you can see over here. And the third option, you have to simply see over here a bunch of options over here: report, not interested, download, like these. The options over here, you have to simply scroll to the left and you will see over here share as GIF. Simply click on that and then create video sticker over here, and then it's gonna be like create your sticker or like gift. And then you can see over here you can simply adjust this where you want to get the sticker over here, and then click on next and then creating sticker. As you can see, this sticker is created, and you can see add over here your 10 keywords as well, and then create sticker as well, and created your sticker, and then it's gonna be uploaded on your profile. So wait for a while to do it completely. So as you can see, send to your friends as well. You can simply do is click on done, and then whenever you go to your keyboard, you can see over here you have to see this like GIFs option over here at the second above the keyboard. So click on that and then go to the GIFs, and you can see I have GIFs over here. So the video is pop up over here in GIFs. So you have to search over here, or then it's gonna be pop up over here, and then you have to simply paste the gift that you want to paste, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.